All right, we're back here with Leo. My dad, Sarah, and Elion are back here. We're super blessed to have a little opportunity here to go into the farm, just check it out quick. So Leo's gonna take us in. All right, guys, we're back here with Bubba. Bubba's gonna give us a little tour here.
All right, this is one of our main display tanks. Most of the houses SPS and a lot of our high-end ones here.
Nice. Yeah, I was telling Leo I've gone on to a couple of your live sales. I got a Circus Freak, which is probably my favorite one. Still working on coloring up. Got a Bubble Yum.
Circus Freak is way over there.
We gotta go check that out. Nice.
It's hard to tell here.
I wish phones could pick up colors better.
Yeah.
You know.
Don't forget to just take a few pictures too.
You got a Bioshock colony here too?
Yep, we have several of them too.
Oh, that's beautiful. The Bioshock.
This is after we cut some of the frag, we put here stages.
So how many orders would you say on average you guys process a day?
Ooh, that's a tough one.
Does it kind of depend on when you do sales and?
Hey Chris, how many orders do you think we do a day?
Between 30 and 50.
30 and 50?
Yeah.
So quite a few.
Average day is usually 40.
Yeah. That's a lot a day. A lot of bagging. That's why you guys keep growing, huh?
As you can see through the glass here, there's some of these orders all going out and we're still packing them up as we go.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I've noticed too from some of my orders, you don't put the prices on the thing. That way the wife doesn't know that I just bought a new car for my tank.
That's one of the secrets for sure.
Yeah, these are beautiful. I see you got a lot of flow on these zoanthids here. Some of them really like that, huh?
A lot of flow everywhere.
What do you feed these systems?
A whole bunch of different stuff. Ices, glory, full foods, vinos.
Look at those jingle bells. These things are wild.
We even fill up our sumps.
That's beautiful. The sun-kissed bounce.
That's it.
I saw a couple of your infinity gauntlets over in the main store.
Yeah, here's even a bunch of them right there behind you. In there next to the other sunkiss.
Sugar daddies. Man. Just tons. I found that mushrooms are the easiest thing to frig. You can literally cut them anywhere.
More of our, a lot of high-end stuff here.
What's your par at in this tank?
And this one is roughly 700.
700. Jeez. I suppose you can keep up with that high flow with excess nutrients, huh?
Yeah.
That's really nice polyp extension. What's this one here?
It looks like Carolina Reef.
That is nice.
What would you say the size of these tanks are? Like 300?
I think these are 400.
Is that a cherry bomb right there?
That looks like cherry bomb.
You guys are the ones that got me hooked on sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, those are beautiful. Is that a bonsai?
It is, yeah.
Or a Sour Patch?
I'll show you on this other thing.
Bill Murray?
One of them.
Super beautiful. Are your lights always set to this?
About halfway through the day, they go all blue.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and you just got beautiful polyp extension. So kind of a funky question for you here. We were at Worldwide Corals the other day and we saw that they have a banner for Top Shelf Aquatics up. Are you guys working together with them on something right now?
Not that I know of.
Well, they're sporting you guys over there.
Wow, that's the first I've heard.
Yeah.
I'll have to ask though.
I know Reefapalooza is coming up Chicago, right?
Yeah.
You guys go to Reefapalooza?
We do.
Yeah. Wow, this thing is nuts.
That one is called our Rainbow Fusion.
That's the Rainbow Fusion, huh?
There's a nice colony in the first tank over here also. Really nice colors.
Jeez.
There's another Rainbow Fusion here. See the blue in there? Yeah, that one there.
That might be my new favorite piece. The Rainbow Fusion. Let's get that on camera.
Versus blue, huh?
So Bubba's showing us the difference here. We've got Garf Bonsai in the front
Yep.
and Sour Patch behind.
Yeah. Thicker branches, brighter polyps. They're definitely not the same.
And they're right about in the same par, same flow, right next to each other.
Not sure which one it is. Oh, the yellowish looking one?
Yeah.
That looks like a thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck, yeah. Look at this grafted cap here. Just spiraling up. I would be afraid, honestly, to even frag any of these. Just so beautiful. What's that Monty right in the middle? Is that a sugar high?
That is Sunset Monty.
Oh, the sunset. Some of those cheaper ones are definitely pretty. I remember watching the video when George came through. Explained a lot of this stuff, but yeah, see, this is just beautiful.
These tanks here are a lot of our Monties. You can see all through the back here, the digis, stuff like that. And as they get bigger, as they come in.
Color view. Yeah, this is perfect. Virgin. Yeah, I love this system, the way that you do this with PVC pipes.
Makes it easy for cutting, fragging, just moving things around, makes sure they have.
Easily pull it out. You've got about 10 grand in each tank just on the wave makers, huh? So Bubba was saying these tanks are actually about 700 par.
Not all of them. The one especially over there with the T5. That's
The T5 combo? Okay.
Our main one is roughly probably 350 to 450.
350 to
Hey Corey,
450.
what's the par on these things here?
We're at 400 at peak.
400? Nice. So still a little higher than most people keep. This is just unbelievable. Look at this tank.
Oh man. Yeah, that thing is just, it's like an overgrown jungle, huh?
It's like something that you dream about. Alright, hey guys, we're back home now. You can see I had to dump a bunch of reefroids and amino acids in the tank to get it fed, but all good things have to come to an end. It was a blast being down there. Got to visit Worldwide Corals, got to visit Shelf Aquatics, even got a special tour back in the farm, as you saw. And, you know, with each tour, I learn a little bit more. Believe it or not, that was only my third kind of like private interview / tour. So I know I still got a long ways to go. Hope I got some pretty decent shots. And just really looking forward to continuing to learn more about the hobby, visit more places, kind of learn how things work, get some ideas from the big vendors, the big sellers. I know sometimes they can be a little bit pricey, but that's because they have guarantees and they take such good care of their stuff. Man, when I was at Worldwide Corals and Shelf Aquatics, oh, it was so cool. So cool. But what a blessing. I'm so thankful for the time down there with my family, my dad, my wife, my son, and just the time that we got to spend together doing stuff that we don't normally do. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, if you learned anything, if you thought it was cool. If you want to critique me, that's fine, but let me know why, at least, that you're giving me a thumbs down, if you give me a thumbs down. Prefer that you don't, but if you must, go ahead, but let me know why. So, alright guys, Aquatic Bob's out. See you in the next video.